funny variation of the underleg spins are these cross-handed ones. The difference to the basic ones is that you spin under the other leg. For the basic forwards underleg spins, start spinning on one side and then under the opposite leg and catching with the opposite hand and spinning here under the leg and catching out there. And for these cross-handed ones, start spinning forwards, but then under the same side leg, and the opposite hand has to reach over and cross over the leg to catch the whip here. Then you can keep on spinning here. This hand takes the whip over to its own side on the same side leg, and the opposite hand catches in this cross position. Over to this side, cross, catch, over to this side, cross, catch, and then you can do it continuously. You catch automatically in the forwards grip. If you just reach over, hold your hand in the way, in the path of the spinning whip, and you will just catch in the forwards grip like this. Like here, just reaching over, hand palm facing upwards, and then they will just spin right into the forwards grip. And eventually I'm still practicing this. You can also skip the extra spins, so you spin like this if you want a workout.